Hello everybody, this is a quick video just to show the snap and inventory system and just the various features. It's going to be real quick here. This is a demo project that comes with the system, and it's also available for download as a package game if you want to try it out just to see how it feels. So standard controls WASD and tab to bring up the menu. You can see here on the left we have the items that are on the ground. In the middle, the inventory, so what we're currently carrying. Then we have our weight right here in the center. And then on the right side, we have what's currently equipped to us. These little boxes around the primary slot here are the attachments for the primary. These are what's just included as an example. You can add as many attachments or even different inventory slots. And along the bottom, we have our 1 to 4 quick slots. Okay. So as I go through here, you can see when I walk over stuff, there's a quick pickup. So hit F to pick up. You can see it went into my inventory, and there's 7 of them. If I drag over another one, it'll automatically combine because this is a consumable, and it'll combine to the max that you specify. Add another one, you can see the max is 15, so the rest just go down there. You can see when I'm hovering over here, there's tooltips or descriptions, information. You can set these, you can add as many of these as you want, and it's all managed in a single list, so it's really easy to organize. It's not managed per item or anything, so you can create as many as you want and just use only the ones that you need. Drag and drop is supported. Double clicking is supported. So by double clicking, it automatically do its default action, and for consumables, because they don't equip or anything, they go straight into inventory. Double clicking again will drop it. And while we're on consumables, if you hold control and drag it off, you can specify exactly how much you want to drop. So we have 6, I can say 5, and we can see it drops 5 of them. I can pick those back up. There we go. We'll go over here. We'll see we have some wearable items. So the helmet, I have it set so that you can't store helmets. You can only equip one. So if I try to put it in my inventory, you can see it's going to deny that. If I double click on it, the default action is to equip. So it's going to go up there to the helmet icon. It's set to go to only the helmet slot. That's just a list of slots that are available, and you can just assign them. It's really simple. It's not able to go to any other slot other than the one that it's assigned. If you look at my weight here, it says I'm 13 of 65. This vest is actually a weight load increasing item. It's just a check mark that you can turn on for any item actually, so anyone you want. I have it on for vests and backpacks, so when I equip this, you can see that my max weight actually goes up, so I can carry more now. You can see the rifle went to my primary slot. There's another helmet here. I'll grab that one because I like it better. Okay, and you can see that it's in the quick slot in the bottom left, number 1. If I hit 1, it puts the item away. You'll see it stays as my quick slot item though. It removes from the quick slot when I actually unequip the item. Now I can't use it anymore if I hit 1. If I put it back in, I can use it. Okay, if I equip the melee item that's on the ground, it goes into my melee slot down here, and it also goes into quick slot number 4. That's just configurable on the item itself. You can set a quick slot, and you can add more quick slots if you want. You can add more equipment if you want. You can add more attachments if you want. Very simple to do that. I have to put this rifle here. So you can see the rifle. It's if I hover over it, here you can see its compatibility. I just typed the stuff in. It's AR. So I'll put that there. I'm gonna check out these attachments. You can see I have the flash hider. The only ones that actually programmed anything for are the suppressor and the flash hider. The mag, it'll attach because it's configured too, but it doesn't actually change the gameplay at all right now in the demo. If I double click on the suppressor, you can see it goes to the front. I can put this in my inventory. Because the flash hider and the suppressor go to the same spot, if I double click on it, it's just going to replace it and inventory the other one. The other cool thing is if I take the gun off, put it in my inventory, actually the attachments go with it. And you can see on my back there, they're actually still attached. Let me drop the sniper rifle so it's easier to see. You can see the flash hider still attached to the end of the gun there, and the mag, you kind of see it's sticking out the right there, little gray thing. So all those things are still attached. If I put it back into my equipped, it actually is still attached as well. So the attachments actually follow the item they're attached to around. All right, so you can see here, if I double click on it, it goes in, goes out, and actually if I drop it, the attachments also stay attached. So you can see that there. And the cool thing is if I'm walking by and I see a gun on the ground that somebody dropped and I don't want the gun but I want the attachments, I can actually just take the attachments off of it. You can see on the ground there, when I do this it'll disappear. And same with the mag. And just to show you what happens when I fire. So you can see right now there's no flash when I fire because I have an attachment that actually hides that. If I take that off, you can see there's a flash. And the last thing I'm going to show you is, we talked about the weight expansion items. What we didn't talk about is what happens when you have more weight than your expansion will allow once you take the expansion item off. So my max base weight was 65. I'm at 62 now. I'm just gonna go slightly over that. There we go, 67. Oh, but I picked up a backpack. Let me get rid of that. I'm at 67 now. And I know my base weight is 65. So if I take this vest off, it should drop me to 65, which will put me overweight. So right now I have it configured that it won't let you drop the weight expansion item until your weight is below your max that you can hold. You can configure this though if you want. You can do that, and what'll happen is there's a little check mark. You can change the functionality, and it will actually cycle through all your items in your inventory, and then drop the heaviest stuff first until your weight is back down to where it should be.